let me be transparent with you. I'm just your average run-of-the-mill normal guy trying to make it in this world, looking for financial freedom. I've had success online, made a few $1,000s, but I'm working to try to make it to the 10,000 mark. And a lot of the things I've done so far have made impact for people, and I'm finally taking that leap, like my friends and family said I should, to make that meaningful impact in people's lives. I've been through quite a bit. My mom went through divorce growing up. That was a challenge. I ran away from home at one point. I grew up and gotten a whole bunch of like issues. My father wasn't in my home with me, single parent household. Struggled my way through college and didn't really amount to much. I'm not actually working in the job that I aim to, and things change. But amidst all those challenges I've been through and the struggles I've overcome, I've developed a mental fortitude for entrepreneurship. Also, that basically gives me solace knowing that I can make an impact in people's lives. I was an RA for a few years, and I discovered that was my passion and my calling, helping people through life. And basically, I'm here telling you that I have a mastermind class that I've started to give people the mental fortitude necessary to take the steps and leaps and get started, what they've been waiting to do for so long but don't know where to start or haven't built the plan of any kind. So yeah, pretty much I believe that this is really powerful. Now, let me tell you, this system that I have set up and help people go through with is literally a game changer. I'm so serious about that. I need to understand how enthusiastic I am about this and how confident I am in it shifting your goals to be reflective of what you really want for yourself. You'll no longer be doing the things you hate. You're going to be doing things you're passionate about. You'll be making an impact you want to do. You can finally talk to people you want to talk to. You'll be able to do so much, whether it's lose the weight or travel to this place. All of these things are simple mental barriers that are in the way of your goals. And there needs to be things that shift. And there's a whole lot that I can go into fully detail here, not a lot of time here, but click the link below. I'm telling you, this is life-changing. You really got to get your hands on this. It's something that I've put a lot of my time, energy, and effort into, and I know it's going to help you achieve your goals and then some, and achieve others. And I'm just so passionate about it, honestly, because I just know you're going to be pretty blown away. I have literally learned a great deal of information. I've read over 25 different books about personal development. I've given different speeches. I've wrote blogs and things like that. I've actually learned from a lot of the biggest name people: Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi, Bob Proctor, Zig Ziglar, all of these different guys, Jim Rohn, all these different major guys. I've read all types of books. Gary Vaynerchuk's Crush It book, Grant Cardone's 10X Rule, Be Obsessed or Be Average, all types of things. I've literally have absorbed so much energy. I've been to more than 10 different business conferences. I have really accumulated a large amount of wisdom, and I'm willing to share with you that you don't have to go through the time and energy and all this extra, years it takes. Because I've gone through years of accumulating this knowledge and wisdom, and you can shortcut that and not have to go through the same mistakes and lose out on thousands of dollars like I did. And that's going to help you get to the level you want to in life, help you shift the mindset, and help you skip beyond so much of the challenges that you'll be faced with. And I'm just saying it's huge. I've had people who are mentoring me who are multimillionaires, even some billionaires in my time frame, and I'm very thankful to them for that. And I'm telling you that you just move on from this video and don't do anything, you're gonna look back and have regret. I know you've seen all types of things in this world. There's opportunities you pass beyond, but this is one you don't want to pass up. I am so confident about this. I will be sharing with you the exact same tools that have been used to impact and alter and game change millions of lives. These are the tools that Dean Graziosi has used. These are the tools that Tony Robbins have used. They're tools that all these people have used, and I'm offering it to you, and I'm sharing information with you so you can make the same shifts that I did. I'm no longer working the jobs I hate. I no longer hate my Mondays anymore. I'm able to create income for myself from anywhere. I'm able to have the confidence to talk to people I want to talk to. I have the mentality and mindset necessary to make my goals a reality. I finally was able to go vegan. I'm finally able to put on weight. I'm a hard gainer. It's hard for me to gain weight, but I've actually developed a mental fortitude to make anything happen. It's just a shift in programming. I'm very passionate about helping others, and I'm so confident in my skill set to make it happen. That's why I'm sitting in front of you right now. And honestly, I know where you've been. I know what it feels like to wonder. I know what it feels like to be worried. I know what it feels like to think you're not gonna have the capability to make it. I know what it feels like to fear failure. I know what it feels like to have that mentality. And I'm I'm telling you that what I'm giving to you will help bypass this. You're gonna be getting so much more in such a small span of time, literally condensing decades into days. You're literally condensing so much knowledge and wisdom over the course of years into a single day. And it's gonna give you the necessary the need to push yourself beyond where you're currently at. It's crazy. You'll get access to all these different resources that I'll be giving to you. You'll get 30-day money back guarantee if you don't like what's given to you. You'll be able to, continue on. This is a building system. You're not just gonna get this and then you won't have anything else to build upon afterwards. You'll have a lot that you can work through. You'll have a lot of people that you can connect to. I'll give you resources of things that you can do and go to that I've discovered on my journey of entrepreneurship. And I can honestly tell you that I'm excited. I'm pretty excited. It's about time. Basically, I've done so much like, things in the past to help impact people face to face that they all tell me you need to go and take it to the next level. So that's what I'm here doing. So click the link below, above, to the left or the right, right in front of my face. Who knows? Probably below. Go ahead and move on, and you can get your opportunity to be a part of the few people who will experience this. I'm not giving this to everybody. You are a select few people who are being offered to. Not everybody sees this. Not everybody's going to know about this. And not everybody's going to get the impact it's going to make in their life. I don't open up to everyone because it's literally not everybody's going to make this happen. You are curated. You didn't get here because it just randomly showed up. This video landed in front of you for a reason, not by accident. And now you're getting to be one of the few people to have access to this. Might as well take action now.